what's up? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is 𝒻𝑜𝓃. And in today's video I will be doing a Bath and Body Works haul. It's like a mini haul. I just got a couple of things for the semi-annual sale, so I wanted to show you guys. First, I got a couple of candles. This one is my favorite. I got this for my shop. It is called Champagne Toast. If I could describe like what the notes are, it's a very like sweet scent. It's very girly. I don't know, it just smells really good, like a very fruity, citrusy type of scent. And the fragrance notes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine with essential oil. That I got is the rose water and ivy and mahogany teak wood. I don't like the rose water and ivy, but this was the only mahogany teak wood one that was part of the semi-annual sale. The regular one that I normally get was not part of the sale, so I just got this one. And the notes are rich mahogany, black teak wood, soft rose petals, rain kiss, English ivy with natural essential oils. I really love the mahogany teak wood one and the intense. These are like my favorite scents for the house, and as you can see, I've already been using it because I burn it at my house when I clean. White gardenia. This one's okay. It's like a fresh scent. I use this one also for my lash suite, and this one is the notes are classic white gardenia, fresh picked greenery, sweet apple, white tuberose with natural essential oils. So this one is like if you want a fresh, clean scent. This one if you want a really like girly, feminine scent. And then this one is a very strong like masculine scent. It almost smells like cologne, but I love this one for the house. Lashes, I just got two. I got Champagne Toast. It's the same fragrance as my candle. This is one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. It's literally like a crowd favorite. So there's that. Sun-Kissed. This one I think is a summer scent. This one smells really, really good. Let me see if the notes are on here. So the fragrance notes for this one is sun-drenched orange blossom and sparkling sea salt and vanilla breeze. It's really good. It's very feminine, and I would highly recommend this for a summer fragrance. So I layered. So I got the Sun-Kissed body mist for me, and then for my daughter I got her this scent, which I believe it was a Christmas scent. It's cotton candy champagne. And this notes are bubbly rose, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. And this one smells really, really good, but I got it for my daughter. She came with me to the mall. And then I got Champagne Toast body cream, so then I can layer the body wash with the body mist, and then I can layer the Champagne Toast body wash with the lotion. And if you don't know what layering is when you put the same scent of products on. Like say you have a shower gel, or say you have a lotion, or say you have a body mist or perfume, then you can layer all of that scent on top of you, and the scent will last longer throughout the day, as opposed to just using one product and expecting it to last. Soap, which is the rose water ivy, and then the notes for this is a soft rose petal, rain kissed ivy, and spring musk. So this again is for my shop, and that is my mini haul. Anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.